Welcome to our final night of Boo Survivor. Thank you so much for supporting us this whole way as we leave off to provincials this weekend, and this wouldn't have been possible without you guys, honestly.
Thank you very much.
Alright, well, let's get to some burn-in. Alrighty. Oh no. Oh shucks, okay. Eliminate 2 at a time. We have 11 teams to eliminate tonight. We're gonna do double time with the burn-in. Alright, first 2 eliminated. Sodally Sober and Dave's crew. Out of the final competition.
Second 2 teams out are G Money 2.0 and Hard Cork.
Now, eliminating the teams of Rum Runners and the Goop Guzzlers.
We now eliminate Sip Happens and the Wolf Pack.
Another team eliminated is Boo's Clues.
Oh, it hasn't yet.
Eliminating the Poor Choices and the Designated Drinkers. So sorry, guys. Come back again. Oh my god.
Aiden. Oh, jeez.
Eliminated.
Take the one off the
Well,
Rip this one.
mistakes happen.
They are eliminated.
Well, let's just leave it. Okay. Well, that was a tough start out here, but let's get to our final eliminations of Boo Survivor. All right. First eliminated from the final is Brenda Young, Lit Librarians.
Second elimination of the night is the Vince lad from the Senior Frogs.
Third elimination of the night is Laura Paholski from the camping cohorts.
Uh-oh. Alrighty, next eliminated is Robin Taphorn. reading between the lines.
Now, eliminating the one and only Mary Kamakaro. 4 margaritas and a baby.
Now we are eliminating Glenn Bigar from the Blues Cruise.
Alright. And our last elimination before our top 3. Oh, just kidding. I got you guys there. I got you. You thought. You really thought. Is Julie V from Cochrane Finest.
Now, 5 left remain. Tony Deering from the 3 Sheets to the Wine.
Last person eliminated before the final 3
For real this time.
For real.
We ain't
reals.
playing.
is Jen Wah from the Lit Librarians.
Alright. Oh. Now we enter our top 3.
Survivors.
Third place with 24 units of booze. Second place with 40 units of booze. And first place with a whopping 100 units of booze.
Drumroll.
Drumroll please to announce our third place contestant. The Grant should have had a V8. Congratulations on your third place win.
Here we go, guys. 2 left in the bucket. We go. Second place. Elimination. Oh, no. Sorry. Troy Harkness is live fans.
Congratulations.
Thank you for participating.
So the winner.
And the winner
Survivor.
Is
Russ Wolf from Lake Lushes.
With a whopping 100 units of booze. Thank you so much for supporting us along our soccer journey and
Thank you.
our dream to nationals. Wish us luck this weekend.